about cooking, so I'm gonna show you how to make a chicken adobo in Ilongo style. Okay, so I already prepared all the ingredients. I'm still in the basement, but I'm going upstairs and then I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. Okay, and also I'm gonna teach my husband how to cook chicken adobo in a simple way, so because this is his favorite. All right, see you in the kitchen. So okay guys, so I just put it in a container with some water because I want them to thaw right away, because I can, so that I can remove all the... Okay guys, so I'm taking the fats and the chicken wings. Because I don't really like fats. I think cooking adobo is, it's very easy. Very easy to make.
I never stop to see you cry. I never listen to your tears and praise. Oh no, I never stop to see you try. I never listen to the words you say. Oh no, I never look your eyes of sorrow. I never listen to your cries of pain. You get to love and I don't care. I'm sometimes foolish and so vain. Oh no, I never told you that I love you. When all you did you took from me. But honey, if you ever leave me, I'll never make it up, okay? Oh no, oh no. Oh no.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you how much the fats that I removed from the chicken wings. There you go. See? That's all the fats. So now it's I'm going to wash this one. Alright guys, so this time I'm going to turn off my phone because I'm going to prepare all the ingredients and then I'm going to show you how to cook step by step. And by the way, I'm going to teach my husband how to do it. Okay? Alright, see you later. That's a good idea. It's just like blanch, something like that.
Yeah, that's
like
my
that.
favorite.
Because this is my husband's favorite.
Chicken adobo. It's my favorite.
Yeah, chicken adobo. Wow, looking good, Han.
Yeah, and this goes good with beer.
Yeah, but just one bottle only, okay?
Okay. I put that on.
Yeah, just put it high.
High?
Yeah.
Okay. Leave it high?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to burn.
That's okay.
Don't worry about it.
So keep stirring.
Okay.
Because I want my husband to learn how to cook a Filipino food. See? Okay.
Yeah.
your chicken wings. Barbecue are the best. So while you keep stirring that one, the rice is ready. The rice is ready. Look at that. I'm so excited. Alright, so I think that one is ready to put all the ingredients in. Yeah. So I have here we have here this is the base. This is what is it? Peppercorns, onion, ginger, and garlic. And what's it called? Oh, so that's the garlic.
And the garlic.
Well, already say that. Oh, by the way, we forgot to turn
Oh,
this one on. But anyway, just leave it like that. No, just leave it like that. Alright, so I think it's ready to put all the ingredients in. Okay.
We want to, okay, let me
Okay,
do
so
it.
put all the ingredients.
Everything in?
Okay,
You said
everything
the bay
in.
leaves? The bay leaves?
Yeah.
too? Take this one out. Little cup.
No, no, no. You have to use your hands.
Well, you
Give me
want
this one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. No, you have to do it because you're the one to cook. You're the one who's cooking, okay?
Okay.
Just make sure don't put the cap in.
Okay. That's garlic.
Okay, next.
Ginger.
Okay.
Yeah. Ginger. I'll leave this for you.
Okay, so
Oh,
save the one for
there's the
later.
onion.
So this onion,
And
the bay leaves.
bay leaves. And we take this out of here.
Yeah, just put it on top of the sink.
And
Peppercorns.
peppercorns.
Good job.
No, just a little bit of peppercorns.
Then you have to load the fire.
We have to load the fire a little bit, like what?
Just put it
Four?
number 4. No,
Okay, like
that's
that?
number 6.
Like that? Down one.
Down more. No, down more. Number 4. 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
And mix this?
Yeah, so mix them together.
Yeah.
That's good. Looking good, huh?
Mm.
So next time, you're gonna cook adobo. Okay?
I'm
Right?
telling you guys, if you guys try this, you guys love it.
Right?
Yep.
Okay, so we still have 2 more.
It's very easy to make. Oh,
Oops. Uh-oh. Just be careful.
don't worry about it, just a believe. Okay.
Okay, next. You have to
Next.
put... Next is the soy sauce. So
Soy sauce.
approximately it's about 1 cup.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just pour it all over the chicken. Good job. And the lemon juice. So no, I have to use the one. I have to use the one.
Oh, yeah.
I have to use the glass for this one, so I have to make sure the lemon juice. Go in. So instead of vinegar, I use this one. The lemon juice. It depends also
many
the
leaves
amount
you
of the
have,
chicken.
yeah. Maybe
Like
you
I
put
think
more than
that's 2 kilos, right? 2
2.5
kilograms.
kilos again.
Yeah, 2.5 kilograms. So if
That's
2.5
6
kilograms, so you can put like maybe 3/4 cup of lemon juice
Yeah,
and 1
okay,
cup
good.
of soy sauce. There you go. The last one is black pepper. So just put in there.
Last one, what?
Black pepper.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah.
Enough?
That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Then you have to load the fire
Oh, I have to roll the fire now again.
because you have to simmer them. Otherwise, the juice will be. No, not the one. You have to the very low one.
Oh, yeah, yeah?
Yeah.
This is a low one.
No,
Yes, yes.
No,
the
it's
other
not.
low is for the other side.
it's not like this. It should be like that.
I thought it was the other side, the other low.
Okay. So next,
Let me mix this good.
you have to add also half cup of water.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, actually, it's one cup. 1 cup.
We can use the same cup.
Yep. So I'm just gonna get the water from here. 1 cup of water. Okay. So add it to the chicken.
It's
There you
not a
go.
cup. Okay.
All right. Then you have to cover the.
Cover this. Let
Yeah,
it
you have to
cook.
cover it,
Okay.
and then let it
just
simmer
get,
for 20 minutes.
Leave this in here.
Yeah. So the lid is right there.
Where's the... Right here.
There you go.
Hmm?
Now you're all done.
You see?
Good job, hon.
Look.
There you go. See? So
Now,
you just
how long it
simmer.
takes? How long
It
this
takes
takes?
about 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah.
Nice. And then
And
you
you
put on
can
top
wait,
the
right?
rice. You put rice on a plate and put this on top.
Yeah.
The juice is very tasty. The chicken's very tasty.
You put it like this.
Nice.
All right. So enjoy your beer, and thank you for helping me in the kitchen. Good job, honey. I like your apron.
Wait till they...
Cheers. Cheers. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
The best husband in the world.
Yeah.
Alright guys, the adobo is done. Look. Ta-da! So now I'm hungry.